After multiple failed attempts, finally the first round of talks that happened between the West Bengal government and the agitating junior doctors. But after 4 unsuccessful bids to initiate dialogue to resolve more than a month-long deadlock, a delegation of nearly 35 agitating junior doctors visited Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's Kalighat residence for crucial talks. Let's get you an update that has now happened, what really came out as a big breakthrough. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, after meeting with the protesting junior doctors, announced that she has agreed to the 99% of the demands. 3 out of the 4 demands of the protesting doctors. First is the removal of the top health official, 2 of them from the health department, and of course the main one being removal of the chief of Kolkata Police. Now along with it, the police chief of the city's north zone where RG Kar Medical College is located will also be removed. Now, the appeal that has gone in directly from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, as far as she is agreeing to most of the demands of the junior doctors. However, junior doctors saying that till the time formal orders are not issued, they will continue with their protest. The assurance that has also come in from Mamata Banerjee that there won't be any action that would be initiated against the doctors who have been agitating, and also making the appeal that they report to their duties. However, when it comes to 99% of the demands of the doctors that have been met, this is coming at a time when several appeals that were made for a one-on-one meeting with the Chief Minister. There were demands that were kept forth that were not agreed upon. The protesting doctors, be it night or day or even rain and in the sun, they have been protesting at the Swasthya Bhavan and making a direct appeal with Mamata Banerjee to intervene and to agree to their demands. Most of them, however, have been met. The Supreme Court, meanwhile, will also be resuming the hearing in the case, but the BJP sitting in the opposition is questioning as far as how did Mamata Banerjee concede to the demands of the protesting doctors, saying that she has admitted that this is nothing but a cover-up. Let me go across to Sabyasachi now. Sabyasachi, the 4 demands first up that were kept forth, 3 of that have been agreed upon, 1 wasn't. So what was that one demand that Mamata Banerjee did not agree to?
Well, out of the 4 demands that has been put forth by the junior doctors, 3 demands have been met by the state machinery, by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. 1 demand which the junior doctors had asked for regarding the removal of Principal Health Secretary. Now the Chief Minister herself stated that at one time she cannot empty the entire health department. So the Principal Health Secretary's removal cannot be done right away. She would take certain time for that. Now the discussion regarding this have been taken with the junior doctors. The junior doctors have given the consent as per the state machinery. The meeting ended in a positive note. The minute-by-minute details of the meeting also has been shared by the state government. The state government, in fact, have assured that around 100 crore rupees would be given towards improving the health infrastructure of the state government. As far as the security of the government-run hospitals in the state of West Bengal is concerned, a task force will be committed, where in the task force, the Chief Secretary, the Home Secretary, the DG of West Bengal, as well as representatives from the junior doctors would be part of this particular committee, and soon this committee will enable the measures that would put across in several government-run hospitals in the state of West Bengal. Meanwhile, for several hours, the meeting went on between the junior doctors and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. There were certain points that had seen contention between both the parties, but Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee now urged the junior doctors to return to their duty, because there has been flood-like situation in West Bengal. A lot of poor people asked.
That appeal that was made by the Chief Minister directly, however, saying and giving the assurance that no action would be initiated against the protesting doctors, as she urged them to report to their duties.
अगर थोड़ा गलती हो जाता है तो उसको लेके, अगर किसी को गुस्सा है तो गुस्सा निभाने के लिए, गुस्सा निपटाने के लिए हमने कोशिश किया। हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट, पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में जो जस्टिस उन्होंने मांगा, हमने कोशिश किया। हमारा पुलिस जो सीपी को हम चेंज करने का फैसला किया है, उनको साथ बात करके उनको कॉन्फ्रेंस में लेके, उन्होंने भी नहीं चाहते थे, जितना उसका खिलाफ में बहुत सारे बात उठाया। उन्होंने भी कहा कि हमारा भी परिवार है, हमारा परिवार को अच्छा नहीं लगता, इसी के लिए हम भी छोड़ने चाहते हैं। उन्होंने खुद डॉक्टर लोग जब मिलने गया था तब उन्होंने बताया। और हमारा हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट का 3 पोस्ट है, जैसे डीएमई डीएचए ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, इसको पैनल करके प्रोसेस करके तभी कर सकता है। तो अभी हम चीफ सेक्रेटरी को बोला है कि प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी को लेकर बात करके इसको अभी आप लोग देखभाल कीजिए, जब प्रोसेस हो जाएगा तब हम देखेंगे। ऐसा बात हुआ है। हेल्थ में भी उसको 3 ऑफिसर को ट्रांसफर का बात हटाने के बात किया, लेकिन हम 2 मांग लिया। इससे ज्यादा हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम 99% मान लिया। I am not saying anything which is when the matter is sub judice. My humble request to all the junior doctors, whatever they demanded, out of this 4th demand, what is with us? We accepted 3 demands and we requested them to join the work so that commoners should not suffer. There should not be more and more death from the commoners. And
let's in the meantime get you the pictures that came in right after this announcement was made by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. However, when it comes to the impasse that seems to have been solved, the protest and the cease work that is expected to continue till the time the formal orders are issued, expected to be by this morning. Well, even when it comes to "We Want Justice" slogans that resonates at the protest side, BJP is not convinced as to Mamata Banerjee ceding to majority of the demands kept forth by the junior doctors. The doctors who have been protesting and seeking when it comes to majority of their demands that have now been accepted by Mamata Banerjee, BJP sees that this is nothing but an admission of cover-up, saying that including when it comes to the Chief Minister and her role, because Sabyasachi here, she is both the Health Minister and the Home Minister of the state. Even her role is something that needs to be probed and she needs to step down. That has been the main demand of the BJP.
Well, absolutely. See, the BJP have been demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The BJP has been saying that since Mamata Banerjee is both the Health Minister as well as the Home Minister of the state, so on moral ground she should resign from the post of from her post because clearly after the CBI has arrested Dr. Sandeep Ghosh as well as the OC of Tala Police Station, now the BJP has been alleging that they have been following the orders of higher authority, and the higher authority in fact has been part in cover up in covering up the crime as well as in destruction of the evidences. Now under these circumstances the BJP has been demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee since he is the Health Minister as well as the Home Minister of the state of West Bengal.
All right, with those developments that are now coming to light as far as the BJP sitting in the opposition saying that this is nothing but when it comes to an admission that may have happened. But Sabyasachi, as far as the protests are concerned, junior doctors are continuing. However, there has been celebration in the camp as well. Are they now expected now to resume their duties?
Definitely after the announcement had come in from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, there was celebration across the junior doctors, but the junior doctors stated that the cease work will continue. They would not return to their work until and unless the order has been issued, a written order has been issued by the state government. In fact, they have said that they wanted the removal of the principal health secretary as well, and since the written order by the state government is given in this matter, they would not return to their work, despite time and again the state government urging the junior doctors to return to their work. Now, yesterday after the meeting and after the crucial decisions that has been taken by the state machinery, the junior doctors stated that they would continue with their agitation until and unless a state written order is given to them.
All right, we'll wait for that till the time. They have been saying that the protests will continue till the time formal orders are issued. We also talk about how the Supreme Court is all set also to resume when it comes to the hearing in the RG Kar rape case. A 3-judge bench that will be hearing the case, wherein West Bengal government will be providing details on the security measures for protesting doctors and the facilities given to the CISF personnel stationed at the RG Kar hospital. The West Bengal government on its end is also expected to clarify whether a death challan was issued before the postmortem of the victim. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who is representing the CBI, had informed the court that the challan was missing from the files that was handed over to by the Kolkata police. Let's Sabyasachi continues to be with us, but in the minute as we continue to get you the details of the protests that have happened, the Supreme Court meanwhile will resume hearing in the case. For the moment, thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for joining in. Let's in the meantime continue to get you the details as far as the BJP making the demands for Mamata Banerjee's ouster is concerned. Will remains to be seen exactly what happens today. Will the doctors who have been protesting call off the protest? In the meantime, shifting focus and